Hello and shalom from Israel. It is my honor to participate in this year's OIS Israel. My name is Nir Israeli and I'm the CEO and co-founder of Sanoculis. Sanoculis is developing the MIMS device and procedure which creates a scleral corneal drainage channel to reduce IOP in glaucoma patients. MIMS stands for minimally invasive microsclerostomy, and it is a fast, simple and stentless procedure with efficacy similar to the gold standard trabeculectomy. Our system is comprised of full switch, controller, and disposable handpiece unit with a special design trephine that's going out and backward automatically while rotating. The procedure goes like this. The physician creates a side port and then injects viscot under the conch and into the AC and inserts the device to the angle of the eye. Once in position, the physician presses the foot switch and the trephine going out and backward, taking a cylinder of tissue, creating the sclerostomy to drain the aqueous from the AC to the subconch space. The piece of tissue remains inside the trephine, making it a single use. This is one of the latest surgeries done in post-market study in Europe. As you can see here, the injection of viscot under the conch, a side port, and then the insertion of the device to the angle of the eye. No need for gonio lens. It is all visible through the transparent cornea. Once in position, press the foot switch and you are able to see the trephine beneath the conch. And this is it, a 2-minute surgery. I will add that prior to the surgery, the physician has to inject mitomycin C under the conch, the quadrant of the surgery. MIMS fits most glaucoma patients who need surgery. Similar in efficacy to gold standard trabeculectomy or subconch needs, but with much better safety profile due to its minimal invasiveness and the fact that nothing is left behind. These are the highlights of our post-market study in Europe. We had 120 cases, out of them 100 as a standalone procedures and 20 combined with cataract. The IOP was reduced by 43% at 12 months, and the average number of medications by 85%, and the duration of procedure was at 2 minutes on average, with no major intra- and post-operative complications. The IOP was reduced from high levels of 27.9 to 16 at 12 months, and the average number of medications was reduced significantly, almost to 0 at 12 months. This slide illustrates an XY graph of 1 year IOP versus baseline. You can see that we had 79 patients at 12 months. Out of them, 64 are complete success, 10 are qualified success with a reduction of IOP of 20% with the same or less amount of medications, and 5 failures due to elevated IOP. These pictures prove the concept of MIMS. You can see 2 examples of open channels after 1 year with great results compared to the baseline. On the left, you can see clearly channel, and also on the right with a nice blebs and white eyes. We recorded a series of 14 standalone MIMS procedures which were conducted in 1 hour and 15 minutes, a record time in glaucoma surgery, done by our principal investigator, Dr. Lilit Vostanyan. Here you can see the preparations of one of the patients, placing a lid speculum, then creating a side port, injecting viscot into the AC and under the conch, and creating the sclerostomy using the MIMS device. And this is the end of the procedure, about 4 to 5 minutes per patient. This is what I had to say after conducting 11 procedures using MIMS, out of them 9 as a standalone and 2 combined with cataract surgery. It was a very short learning curve for him. It is an alternative to the stent procedures. It can be easily combined with cataract surgery with efficacy similar to gold standard trabeculectomy. And the fact that nothing is left behind keeps future therapeutic options open, which is a major advantage. Sanoculis is backed by a distinguished list of experts from around the world, which I'm sure you are all familiar with. Sanoculis is moving to its commercial phase, and this slide represents the roadmap which we plan to follow in the near future. After receiving the CE mark, Sanoculis launched NIMS in Israel, Europe, and Hong Kong. In the United States, we intend to pursue 510K de novo pass, class 2, and we're going to have proposed a pivotal clinical study of 100 NIMS procedures versus 100 trabeculectomy as an active comparator with 12 months follow-up. Due to the COVID-19 pandemic, we started the launch in Israel first and conducted already 41 commercial surgeries in 6 medical centers and planned for 10 medical centers by the end of 2021. In Hong Kong, due to the COVID restrictions, we created a remote wet lab training platform via Zoom to train Dr. Dennis Lam, who conducted successfully his first surgeries using the NIMS device. In Europe, we signed agreements with distributors in 11 Western EU countries, and we plan for first surgeries in Italy, Germany, Belgium, and Holland during June. The next 2 slides provide early testimonials of leading ophthalmologists from Israel. The reactions are very positive. It lasts several minutes and relieves the patients from the need for medications. Dr. Lilad Bori from Barzilai Medical Center. Every good cataract surgeon can perform the NIMS procedure combined with phaco. Dr. Beatrice Tisano from Hillel Yaffe Medical Center. I welcome you all to join our NIMS revolution. Thank you very much.